Hey tartelettes, it's Jen, and today I'm going to show you how to create a warm smoky eye using our brand new Tartelette Toasted palette. I'm so excited about this palette. It's like my jam, and there's one shade in here especially that I'm just in love with, obsessed with. It's my everything. But right now I'm going to be creating a warm smoky eye for date night, and I'm going to show you guys how. So I'm going to be using the shades S'more, Sunrise, Warmth, Fireside, and a little bit of Cozy. Just look how beautiful this palette is. Oh, I can't wait. So I'm just taking a mix of the shades S'more and Sunrise, and I'm putting it all over the lid and just softly up into the crease. I'm gonna cover the whole lid. You can even go a little underneath if you want. Just like that. Now I'm going to take my favorite shade, Warmth. I just absolutely love this color. It's stunning, and I'm going to put this right into my crease and along the lower lash line. Oh, it is so vibrant. It's so pretty. This is the color of fall. To me, this is what fall is. It's the perfect fall palette because this shade's in it. And I know you guys probably have seen a lot of warm tones in some other palettes, but this one is so unique. I have yet to see this one done, and I'm just obsessed with it. Like, literally obsessed. So now I'm gonna pack a little bit of that shade Cozy on the outer corner and then softly blend it up towards the center. So I'm just kind of pressing it on and just softly buffing it in, but keeping it on the outer corner. So that just warms that right up. Stunning. So now I'm taking a little bit of that shade Fireside, and I'm just gonna put it right along the outer corner of the lower lash line. Alright, so we just finished creating a warm smoky matte eye, and there is zero fallout. We worked with some pretty bold shades, so for there to be not one drop of fallout, I think that says something about this this formula. It's pretty freaking incredible, and it's infused with Amazonian clay, so you don't even need a primer. It adheres to the lid and it blends seamlessly. Alright, now I'm going to apply some of my favorite Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara, and I'm going to be using our limited edition holiday version. Really, it's the same formula, just in really, really cool packaging. So I'm going to put this on right now. So just look how incredible this mascara is. It literally transforms your lashes. So there you have it, tartelettes, a perfect warm smoky matte eye for date night. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I know you're gonna love this palette. So until next time, take care, tartelettes.